would like to share with you a small thing which I have experienced. In March, I had little itching and pain in the throat. And because of all these things, what is happening because of COVID-19, I was really scared. But the next thing what I did is, I would like to share with you some few things what I have done to heal myself with all what was happening. The first thing what I've done is, I had taken a glass of hot water. Next thing what I have done, it's like gargling with salt and turmeric powder. You gargle your throat at least 3 to 4 times in a day, which will help to kill all the germs which are still in your throat. So I have taken salt water. You can take 1.5 teaspoon of salt water. This is tablespoon, but you can take a teaspoon. Here goes this. The next one is, you can see this, it's just a pinch of turmeric powder, which I will mix it with the salt water, and you have to do this gargling because this is really helpful. Even if you have a sore throat, your voice is gone, gargle it. It will help you to kill all the germs which are in the throat. So this is salt water and turmeric. The next thing what I had done is, I had done steaming. You can see this. I just boiled the water, and the steam, whatever is coming, you take a bed sheet, or you can take a towel, a big towel, and sit on a chair, and you can inhale it at least 2 times or 3 times, because that will help you to open up your if you have a runny nose or you have nose congestion, it will help to open up and you can breathe in oxygen. So the steaming. The next, I had vitamin C, like oranges, or I used to make this, I used to put water in a glass and half lemon I used to squeeze and have that. So it really helps you to build your immune system, because vitamin C is very good in building your immune system. You can have oranges, and you can have some fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamin C. With that, you can also take vitamin E, which is also a very good source of boosting your immune system. Next thing, the very important thing, when you have a flu or when you have a runny nose, when you're not feeling if you're not feeling well, is to take rest. At least 7 to 8 hours you take rest, complete rest for 2-3 days. It's not that just in one day you will feel better, but you have to give the time for your body to heal yourself. Go out in the sun at least for 15-20 minutes. See that you wear the mask, because it's very important nowadays, so that you go in the sun and you can build your immune system with vitamin D and your bones, and you will become stronger, because it can help you to fight the disease or any bacteria or virus. Drink a lot of hot water. Every hour or every 2 hours, drink a glass of hot water, because that will clear out your throat and drain out all the germs or whatever is there in your throat. I had done all these things because I didn't want to go to the hospital, because it's really sad for the doctors and nurses. They are really working really hard, and if we run with small things which we can try to do it at home, I think it will be a blessing for them also, because even they are so tired with so many people. So we can try the small things at home, so we can try to help the others also and help ourselves. Having black tea, I had it at 3 times, morning, afternoon and night, before going to sleep. So the black tea also, it helps you to get some potassium, and also it helps you to get some like hot in your, like you feel nice and relieved having nice hot. Even you can have soup or something which will help you. One more thing I would like to share with you is a drink what I had prepared, which I will share with you in the next video, where I will prepare the drink and I will show you, because that's the best medicine what you can give to yourself, because it will detoxify your body, it builds your immune system, it also I will leave you right now with this tips what I had given you, so that initially when you're having this itching, please start with this thing. Don't wait for it to get worse and then you have problems. So when it's small, let us try to solve this by doing some small remedies at home. So till then, I will say bye to you. Ciao, and have a good sleep, good rest. Take care. God loves you, and let's be a helping hand to each other by sharing these small things which can help someone who's in need. Thank you very much.